Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Financeable, where we upload videos related to finance, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to unlock Betway account. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open your web browser, then on the search bar type in betway.com. Once you type it in, you'll get to this page. On this page, you'll have to log into your account, so click on this button where it says login. Then it will ask you to enter your login credential in these boxes. So enter it, then click on this login button. And in case if you have forgotten your password, click on this link where it says forgot password to reset it. Once you have filled up your information, click on this login button. Then you'll be logged into your account. Now, once you're on the home page, click on this button where it says support. Then click on help. Now another page will open up. On this section where it says my account, you will see this option, I forgot my login details and now my account is locked. Click on this link. Then another page will open up. Now what we'll have to do is click on this link where it says live chat. Then on the right hand side, this menu will open up. On this menu, you'll have to enter your name. So go ahead and enter your name, then click on submit. Now they will provide you a live chat assistant. Then scroll a bit down and select this option where it says login problem. Now click on the third option that says forgot login details, account is locked. Then they will give you an instruction on how you can unlock your account. Follow this instruction and do as they say and your account will be unlocked. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.